Okay, quickie before I go to bed. This is a Bomberman M99. That's not the one that you can use on the switcher, because it uses this chip, which is a Z01 for the sound, and the other version it uses standard logic chips there. So this is just a cost reduced version. It could be hacked, same as the M84 games, but it's not worth it. The other board runs them. So this had some error messages about RAM, and it was basically those two there causing bad RAM. Could do with the dust down. I'll do that in a bit. Let's fire it on. And no tracked mode. So we got bad capacitors as well. Of course, these Elnas. But you know, the game's running. The caps will take me 5 minutes. So the sound works. It's just okay. Just turn it off before I blow my speaker. So that cap problem will be these three or these few here, or that amp looking a bit rusty. So I'll just shotgun this area and this board will be fine. Another one done, pretty much.